Vehicle's a no start, the battery's just clicking. I am going to switch over to DC voltage, and I'm going to go to my ground cable and my positive cable and see what I have here for an open circuit voltage test. So this battery right now, 11.2 volts. I'm going to go ahead, zoom in on the battery and try and crank this over so you can see what happens. So, no battery charger on anymore, just the battery and the multimeter. But you can see we're well over our 12.6 volts. We've got what we would call a surface charge on this battery, right? Because it's been on the battery charger the whole time. So I'm going to kick the headlights on and we're going to monitor this. See, we've got some nice bright headlights. We are down to 12.1. So not too terrible. It seems to be holding steady right there. I want to give this about a minute. Drop down to 12 volts. I'm still happy with that. You will see this voltage is going to come up a little bit after we shut these lights off. That's going to get rid of that surface charge for us. About that 1 minute time frame, and now 12.1. So not much rebound on that. That makes me believe that maybe we don't have the best quality in our battery right now. So let's start this thing up and see what we get. Just started the van up. I've let it run for maybe 20 seconds. Now what I want to do is take a look at our battery voltage, see where we're at, make sure the alternator is doing its proper job. So let's zoom in and take a look. Hey, 14.4 volts. That's not bad at all. So I'm just going to let it run for maybe another 30 seconds just to make sure everything equalizes out. As the vehicle was running, we got a little surface charge on the battery again. We're at 12.9. I'm just going to crank it over and see where we drop to while we try and start. Looked to me like our lowest number there was 11.2 volts. You can see the alternator kicked on, started doing its job. We're back up to that 14.5. So I'm happy.